Watu ngapi hapo?
Wengi sana. They almost, when I did this story about 3 weeks ago, they were almost 30 for something.
And now?
Yeah.
Waziri, are you feeling threatened?
I
mean,
think,
Yeah, he's safe.
I think I will leave that to the police to say, but I'm not normally easily threatened or scared. My nature is that I'm a courageous person,
Yeah,
but I don't like the fact that goons, when I'm in the company of the DCC of this area, when I'm in the company of OCPD, Office of DCI, that goons will lock a gate that we accessed to come here. That tells you the owner will not be able to access this place. His fears are valid, and indeed he has persistently, he has actually pestered me to come and help him take over. I want to say that now I understand the challenge that he's been facing. We are not going to tolerate impunity.